So my name is Jose Vasquez, aka Mamba Flex, and we're here at Meadow Mass Share. This is actually my first time doing this trail, and so far it's been a great experience. We're out here with R1 and the Nitto Pit Crew team. One instant where my rig was, lockers were not fully working, but lockers were engaged. Rears, for some reason, were not engaging. They were not moving. So I took a couple tries, and finally, with a nice little bump, we got up there. It's not grabbing?
Yeah, we're at 8.
I'm gonna try one more time. If not, I'm gonna just take the bypass. I was like, what the fuck? One of the main things that I was having issues when I first building my rig, it's heavy, you got a lot of bumpers, aftermarket parts that make the rig a lot heavier. So as soon as, I upgraded to R1 Concepts, right away I felt it. We did the rotors, brake pads, and instantly on the road, great. Off-road, even better. I want to thank, everybody that was spotting me. We have G-Force out here, everybody from the Nitto Pit Crew, and also, R1 Concepts.